Hi, my name is Darius and I'm security and CCTV and fire engineer in Ireland for over 15 years. I want to join you my course on CCTV installation. This course was designed for two main things. One is to give a beginner enough knowledge and experience to get a kick start in the CCTV career, and the second to give a technician who doesn't know IP cameras, IP based CCTV systems, enough knowledge to improve his skills. In this course I teach both basics as well as I show practical live examples of programming. For instance, I will show you how to program NVR. I'll show you how to program a hybrid DVR, which is NVR and DVR combined. I do this on very well-known equipment from Hikvision because it is a very easy to learn, as well as gives good background knowledge, because all those other devices from different makes are very similar. We'll talk about IP cameras, how to program them, how to connect them. We'll talk about HD cameras. We'll talk how to pick the camera, what type of resolutions we can get. Basically, we will cover more or less everything, including some installing of VMS software. I invite you to join this course, and I hope you will get a lot of knowledge and you will be able to kickstart your career in CCTV. Thank you.